Today unboxing is on the initial model limited edition Toyota Supra together with a minifigure. The actual Supra belongs to the popular racer Max Orido, and initial model makes a replica out of it in the scale of 1/64 and other bigger scale which is now sold out, such as 143, 118 and 112. Presentation is different from the other regular issue release. Below is the info of the casting, the Toyota Supra JZA80 RZ Orido Street version red. Sleeve has the limited edition label. Backer card includes the printed Max Orido signature and also a photo of himself together with the Toyota Supra. The figure is quite unique. For the larger scale in 143 is similar, and for 118 is painted. I don't think there's any figurines for 112. First impression, the Max Orido figurine looks like one of the Monopoly pieces. They use a 3D scanning to replicate the figure, so it's accurate. And I'm quite impressed that it's able to stand. Label wise, the standard metal plate with the Supra logo. There's a scratch there, I should have checked carefully while getting it. One of the best in 1/64 by initial model. Clean and sharp casting together with the realistic wheel sets. Even the interior is highly detailed. I really like the execution for the rear lights, there's plenty of details. And just look at the exhaust, it's impressive. Together with the Supra logo on the car plate. The 5 spokes wheel set are really sharp and realistic. Typical Supra headlights that integrate with the body seamlessly. Plenty of details on the front with very precision paint job. Even the base is detailed with the IG label. Given it's a model car for photography and display, the wheel set can't roll. Overall, this Supra is a stunning model and definitely one of my favorite. Nice proportion, stance, and the best of all, the initial model trademark finishing. Excellent job by initial model, and stay tuned for more initial model unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!